Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a couple of Peña custom knives. Right over here I've got the Trapper, and right down here I have got the Apache. These are two beautiful liner locks from Enrique Pen. I'm gonna do a quick comparison review between these two fellas, but hey, as usual, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts about these two fellas. Very, very gorgeous examples of Enrique Peña craftsmanship. These are very different. Very similar in price. I mean, they're gonna range in the 850, 950 US dollars, so not properly cheap. Let's quickly check the weight first, because these are small knives, very, very cool to carry. 2.04 ounces for the Trapper and 2.32 ounces for the Apache. They are both front flippers, and they are pretty much the same size, like 6.5 inches for the Apache, and yeah, pretty much 6.5 as well for the Trapper. Really cool lines. You got kind of like a clip point going on over here, and more ship's foot, Warncliffe kind of affair for the Apache. They are both sporting swedges on the blade. Both have a hand wrap satin CPM 154 steel blade, looking gorgeous. Nice belly and flat edge for the Trapper, just like straight edge. A tiny bit of a hint of a belly at the tip right there, but mainly it's a straight edge. They are both liner locks, titanium liners. As you can see, there is no stainless steel lock face insert. There is no over travel lock bar stabilizer because of course we have the scale. You have both one, you see the difference in the hardware going on over here. You get also to see, of course, they have both like micarta scales, nicely contoured. There's no internal chamfering, no internal skeletonization. You got both configured with the backspacer, micarta backspacer. In this case, you got a red and a brown micarta with the black G10 lines. In this case, you get a brown micarta for the bolster and Mexican blanket micarta, very well done for the scales with a red G10 separating line. Very, very cool. They are both running on bearings. They are both ergonomically sound. I mean, they are feeling pretty good in the hand, even if they are small. Interestingly, the shields, nice satin, pretty flush with the scale. They are looking good, guys. The sound of the Trapper is that, of the Apache is that. So very, very well controlled sounds. Super tiny and smooth and dampened sound when closing the blade as well. I mean, they are both gorgeous knives, very expensive, handmade custom knife by Enrique Peña. I tend to prefer a little bit the Trapper because of the handle. It's just like goes well with the blade. It's more balanced, I think, but my favorite blade is this, so ideally I would like this blade on this handle, but I guess we cannot do this. But I mean, in any case, you're gonna end up with a beautiful knife, really cool, tiny, super EDCable, looking good, feels great in the hand. It's like fantastic, like for food prepping or light task in the house. To have this little thing in the pocket is gonna be amazing. Just remember, there's no pocket clip options for these customs, but I'm fine. I just toss that in the pocket and I'm gonna be good to go. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.